Watch this one-off build on this 2004 Maserati Quattroporte. It's a project, and wait till the end and you see what the finish is like and what I've done to it. Remember to subscribe because I've got a lot of content coming. So I decided to change the colour. So I prepped it all up and put it in the booth for paint. And this is the finish that I get with the paintwork. So I painted the engine cover in gloss black. And then I decided to change the original head unit for the Alpine Halo 9 head unit, which included the front and rear cameras, but I had to make modifications to the original dash. Basically make one out of carbon fibre and got it retrimmed, and this is the product that you see. So this is a unit that I installed, so it's full Apple CarPlay with all the cameras on it, so big modification on it. So next I started doing the front bumper. So I ordered one from China and got this replacement with the DRL lights in. So I then moved on to polishing up the headlights. So 180 grit all the way up to a final finish with a spray coat of lacquer. Then with the bumper fitted, you can see the big difference it made to the front end. So I then moved on to the wheels and I sprayed these pearl black, so they're properly sparkling. I got some big brakes, so I ordered these online and fitted the front brakes and rear brakes with big discs, so that's made a big difference. So this was a photo without the brakes, and you can see it here all installed. So next it was only right to take it to a show, so I took it to Supercar Fest and this was it in the field. Got back and had to wash it, so a full detail clean. If you're wondering what the colour is, this is called Grigio Scuro. It's a Ferrari colour. So I opted to use that colour shade on this Maserati. This is a car on the drive. If you listen carefully, the exhaust popping at the back. So it had a crossflow exhaust system fitted to it. Then I thought I might as well do a James Bond on it, so I fitted this number plate that pops in and out. So this has got a Ferrari V8 engine, 4.2 litre, normally aspirated engine. So awesome bit of kit. So leave a comment, let me know what you think, if you like the colour, if you like the car, if you want to see more videos like this.